So now that we've set up our table, it's time for us to do some plugging and chugging into our basic math skills. Okay? So we know that ammonium nitrate has 150 pounds within our ton of fertilizer, and that 150 pounds of ammonium nitrate is 33.5% nitrogen. Okay, so the way we're going to figure out how many pounds of nitrogen are in the ammonium nitrate is we are going to do some basic math. So I'm going to write ammonium nitrate. Okay, right there. We know that if something is in a percent, we have to convert it into a decimal. So we're going to do 0.335 times 150. This is going to give us the pounds of nitrogen within our ammonium nitrate. That gives us 50.25 pounds of nitrogen. Okay? So then I'm going to write that up here on the table. If you feel comfortable with what I just did, you can go ahead and fill in the rest of these blanks yourself and then check your work with me at the end. But if this isn't making sense, maybe hold on tight and watch me go through a couple more. Okay? We also know, I forgot to mention this, that ammonium nitrate doesn't have any phosphorus or potassium in it, so we can go ahead and fill in 0 pounds. Okay? So now we're going to move on to our ammonium phosphate. Okay? That is 11% nitrogen, 48% potassium, and 0% potassium. Okay? So we're going to take, just like the last problem, 0.11, because it's 11% nitrogen, times 100 to give us 11 pounds of nitrogen. Same thing, 0.48 times 100 to give us 48 pounds of phosphorus. Okay. So go ahead and fill that in, and then obviously there is 0% potassium, so that again is a big 0. Okay. Now we're going to move on to our last one, potassium chloride. Okay. Again, sorry if you can't really see this, but hopefully me walking through this helps you a little bit. Okay. It is 0% nitrogen, so we can write a 0 here. 0% phosphorus, and 62% potassium. So again, 0.62 times 100, oh, just kidding, 350, sorry. Again, because there's 350 pounds of potassium chloride, and it is 62% potassium. And that's going to give us 217 pounds. Okay. And then that's going to go right here on our table. Now, inert carrier, we know, doesn't have any nutrients in it for N, P, or K. So this is just going to be 0 all the way down. Our next step is to total up our total pounds. And we're going to stop here, check your work, make sure you're at the right pace with me, and then when you have gotten these numbers down on your paper, come on back and I'll teach you how to do the last step.